What's up guys, it's me Jimmy. So here is the Eucerin Roughness Relief Cream. Normally you can use where your skin is quite dry, or even you can use on the extreme cracks such as like this. So this one is the Eucerin. This thing is amazing. This is my second time I bought it from Amazon, and then let me show you from the back. As you can see, okay, everything look quite nice, isn't it? From this side, again, this is not organic, but sometimes you really need to use a pharmaceutical formula for healing yourself. And then let me open for you. For example, there's some extreme crack, you can just put like this. Can you see? Yeah, like this. I'm just using 100 record, that's what I'm doing. You just squeeze a little bit and then you use your finger like this. Wow, 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 wow. I mean, for example, like this one, I have extreme crack, something here, okay, or maybe something here, or even something like this here. Isn't this good? Or something like here, and then just try to rub it. Okay, this thing is really amazing. I give 10 out of 10. I just put like this, as you can see, and try to just rub it. Yeah, due to the winter I have a lot of dryness. This thing is amazing, amazing, to be honest with you. This is a must buy, a must buy. I just mean it's a must buy. There's no argument why you shouldn't get this one. I just say it's a must buy, a must buy. I mean, again, this is a little bit expensive compared to the quantity you are getting, but you are not going to use this one as your main moisturizer. This is going to be for extreme. You for example, you have something like already like a cheap like heel residue. You put this one for extreme crack, some kind of like this one here or here. You use this one. Amazing value for money, amazing product. Subscribe. And why this is a real world review, no one pay me. Again, I have, as you can see, I have extreme crack problem. Also, let me show you from here. For example, like this one. For example, I put like this. Yeah. So yeah, subscribe and bye. You can check out my channel MBA Market Business Africa, where I talk about my African business journey and give you tips and tricks on how to start a business in East and West Africa. And also check out my travel channel Outing Journal, where I love to travel with my wife around the world. My wife is diagnosed with the retinitis pigmentosa, so she is like now 75% technically blind, but still we are not giving our hope. As you can see, my wife is half blind. You can check out this video. Also make sure to check out my Spider-Man review. This is Outing Journal. Also check out my online travel magazine Outing Journal, where I love to write about travel article, travel story, for example, such as this one. I love travel writing. I want to become one of the best travel writer out there. And I'm also teaching on Skillshare. Please check out Skillshare. I'm giving you a 1 month free trial. Here's my course on Skillshare. More courses are upcoming on Skillshare. I'm teaching on Skillshare. And also check out my courses on Udemy. Yes, my courses on Udemy, I have around 4 courses, over 20,000 students. Most of my courses are going quite well. Make sure to support me on Skillshare and Udemy. That's all. Keep going on. Never stop learning. Learn until you die. Bye.